This is not your average crypto game. This is Pikamoon, a project that's been building non-stop for the past 2 years, and it's about to take on Fortnite and PUBG from day one, the future of GameFi. Alright folks, today we're diving into Pikamoon, which is probably the most ambitious Web3 gaming project that I've ever seen. So here's the deal, Pikamoon is a play-to-earn RPG set in the world of Dreva. You take on the role of tamers, collecting, training, and battling elemental creatures. Think Pokemon meets Web3, with open-world exploration, PvP battles, and full digital ownership through NFTs and the Pika token. But here's the crazy part, the first big release is not some tiny demo. In Q4 of 2026, Pikamoon is dropping a AAA Battle Royale, and it's built to compete with Fortnite and PUBG from day one. And this isn't just some anonymous developer team on Telegram. Pikamoon has a full-time staff of over 35 plus doxed developers, and you can literally go check their faces and profiles on their website right now. They've been building in Unity 6 using the same high-end tools AAA studios use, and honestly the quality already blows away 99.9% of all crypto games out there. Most GameFi projects are just a bunch of trailers and no actual game. Pikamoon, on the other hand, they've got the infrastructure, the dev team, and 2 years of constant progress behind them. Now this part's actually genius. Pikamoon's development HQ is in Islamabad, Pakistan. And why is that so important? Well, it's because it's the first AAA GameFi studio in their country. And they're hiring the best talent in Pakistan, paying top salaries while still being able to undercut Western development costs. And here's where it gets interesting. Pakistan has a massive gaming population and a huge streaming culture. When this game drops, you can bet it's going to explode locally, driving millions of downloads just from the region alone. The token is on Solana and partnered with Solana Gaming, and the Solana Foundation are supporting it as well. Being on Solana, it processes thousands of transactions per second with nearly zero fees, and this ensures smooth gameplay, instant rewards, and seamless trading for players without lag or bottlenecks. Low fees equal more fun, so higher gas fees usually hurt player economies on many other chains, but on Solana, fees are so minimal that making microtransactions, trades, and in-game activity affordable for everybody. Solana is already known as one of the leading chains for gaming projects because it can handle the high activity that Web3 games demand. Pika may become part of a growing GameFi hub, boosting visibility and credibility. And with support from the Solana Foundation and Solana Gaming, Pikamoon gains access to key partnerships, liquidity, and marketing opportunities. This means that Pika is not just a token on Solana, but a project supported by the ecosystem itself. And with supply reduced to 44 billion and Solana's infrastructure powering the token, scarcity combined with efficiency will create strong bullish potential, which will allow for easier onboarding, which means more players, and more players means more demand for Pika. The bigger picture here, folks, is that Solana is more than a blockchain, it's a thriving ecosystem. And being a part of it places Pikamoon alongside other major projects driving adoption and long-term growth in the crypto space. So if you're wondering how to get it, here's how. You can go to pikamoon.io/buy, or you can grab it directly on Mexi or Meteora. The token will have just launched, and the Solana launch date was October the 12th, so act fast to try to get the best price if you're interested in checking this out. Now let's talk community. Pikamoon isn't just hype. It's got a real following, and we're talking 14,000 plus active members on Telegram, daily content across X and all major platforms, and honestly, it feels more like a cult community than just a crypto group, which is rare in the GameFi space at the moment. Most projects are empty shells, but Pikamoon, it's got people who genuinely believe in the vision, and that's why it's growing so fast. So here's the big question. How does Pikamoon go from here to onboarding 1 million players and reaching a $1 billion market cap? Well, the foundation is already set, a AAA game dropping in 2026, a powerful community, and a token that's undervalued versus its peers. And with the backing of Solana Gaming to turbocharge adoption, the roadmap ahead is crystal clear. And honestly, if they pull this off, Pikamoon could become one of the top names in the entire GameFi industry. So folks, the game is coming, the token is live, the community is growing, and this is not financial advice. As always, do your own research and only invest with proper risk management if you are interested even in this project. But Pikamoon is easily one of the most exciting GameFi plays on the market right now. If you are interested to learn more about this project, be sure to hit the links down below, check out the team, see for yourself. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment down below. Let me know if you think Pikamoon can really go toe-to-toe with Fortnite and PUBG when it launches. Again, head on over to pikamoon.io to grab some Pika and be part of the next gaming revolution.